How to connect Zooba with Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Zooba on Android and want to connect your game account to Google, first of all open up the Zooba application on your device. Once you're inside the main lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear button. Now this will open settings. Go to the account tab on the left and then inside the accounts tab, look for connect with Google option and tap the connect button. Now go ahead and select a Google account that you want to log in with. After doing so, make sure to enter your Google account's credentials as well when prompted, and after typing down the correct credentials, you'll be connected with Google account. Once connected, your Zooba progress can be restored using the same Google Play Games account if you reinstall the game or change devices. So that's how you successfully connect Zooba to Google Play Games and then better protect your game progress. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.